Hi, in this video we are going to see a very good news as well as a wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the PhD admissions with only post graduation in the government college. Okay, and from all over the India you may apply from any state, and once if you qualified for the full-time PhD in this college, then you are going to get fellowship more than UGC NET JRF qualified candidates, that is 43,500 rupees per month. So it will be the wonderful opportunity. So please utilize this one. And I'm requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the PhD admission notifications with only post graduation, that too with fellowship also. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this PhD admission notification from the Institute of National Importance College. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video. So it is IIIT Bangalore, that is International Institute of Information Technology, Bangalore. So from this one here we got the admission notification for the Doctor of Philosophy, that is a PhD. So we'll check the details one by one very clearly. So the research scholars will be fully funded to work on a sponsored research projects with one of the best faculty in the country. And the application portal is now live. So please register and complete your application on the research admission. And please complete the non-refundable application fee payment of 1000 rupees at the link given below. Both the application submission on Pravesh and the payment at the link given above are necessary for you to be considered for the admission to the IIIT Bangalore research programs. And the International Institute of Information Technology Bangalore invites application for its research degree program, namely the Doctor of Philosophy. This call for the admissions is for academic year 2021 to 22, term 2, starting in January 2022. Fine. So research domains are given here. So please carefully check one by one. Computer science and the indicative research areas are provided here. Next one is the data science, and next one is the IT and society, and next one is the mathematics and the basic sciences. So in this one, mathematics is there as well as the physics is also there, and you may check down the research areas also. And next one is networking, communication and signal processing. Okay, so here the 5G open radio access network and 5G new radio, the different research areas are provided. And the next one is software engineering, and next one is a VLSI. So if you belongs to any one of these research areas, then you can proceed this video, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those subjects. Or else if your research areas are not there, then please mention in which research area you are looking for the PhD admissions, or else what are the job notifications you are looking for. So please mention all your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the matching recruitment notification, then definitely I will come up in the next video. Okay, so to get my next video as a notification, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And you may check down the different research centers are mentioned above. And here the minimum eligibility criteria. Applicants of the Doctor of Philosophy program should hold a master's degree as well as have a good academic and where applicable, the technical track record also must be there. And as an admission criteria placed for the PhD degree by the University Grants Commission, we require the applicants to take the national entrance examination just like the UGC NET or CSIR NET. If not, you have to take the domain specific entrance examination at the IIIT Bangalore before the interview. Nothing but if you are having only post graduation, then without having any type of UGC NET or the CSIR NET, then you have to clear the entrance examination conducting by this IIIT Bangalore, and then you have to clear the interview. Fine. Next, the research domain specific requirements are mentioned here, so you may check down guys. For the applicants of computer science, data science, VLSI, software engineer and the networking, communication and signal processing, master's degree in engineering is required for the Doctor of Philosophy program. Additional specific requirements are as follows. So for the computer science and software engineering, they mentioned either GATE or GRE score must be required. And while coming to the data sciences, GATE examination for the computer science is required. And next, while coming to the VLSI, just only what we call PG is enough. To the candidates who are applying for the VLSI category, only PG is enough. But they need to write the online written examination conducting by the IIIT Bangalore, clear the interview. GATE score also not mandatory, but if it is there, it will be desirable. Okay. So with only post graduation, you guys can apply for the VLSI. And coming to the networking, communications and signal processing requirements. So here also the strong background in computer networks, analog and digital communication, signal processing, all these things are mentioned. So master's degree in in engineering is required, and additional specific requirements. So online examination has to be clear. If, for example, if you are having the GATE score, then you will be exempted from the written test. You can directly go for the interview. Okay. And the shortlisting of applicants will be done based upon the academic background and details submitted by you. And coming to the physics, the minimum qualification required is a MSc in physics or else a master's degree in the related disciplines. And candidates who have appeared and qualified in these examinations, those candidates are exempted from the written test. Okay. But if you don't qualify, even though you can apply with only MSc physics, but you need to clear the entrance examination and the interview conducting by the IIIT Bangalore. Okay. And while coming to the mathematics, master's degree in engineering, MTech or ME, or else a master's degree in the mathematics, the candidates who are having the CSIR, UGCNET or the NBHM, those candidates are exempted from the written test. But if you are having only a master's degree in the mathematics, then also you can apply, but you need to clear the entrance test as well as the interview. And coming to the IT and society, so candidates with master's degree in any of the social sciences are eligible to apply for this one. And in addition, the candidates with a master's degree in engineering can apply for the Doctor of Philosophy program. And if the candidates are having the GATE, JRF, NET, so those candidates are encouraged. Okay, so if you don't have the GATE, GRE or this, even though you can apply, no problem. Fine. So next one, the fellowships, the scholarships and the tuition fees mentioned here. So full-time doctor of PhD students will get 38,500 rupees per month before completion of the comprehensive exam. But once the comprehensive exam is finished, then you will get 43,500 rupees per month up to 3 years. Okay. And the tuition fee is given here. Hostel and mess fee is also given here. So how to apply means here the online application link is given here. So you may check down this. Coming to the important dates, the last date for the online application form is 15th November 2021. And the notification of candidates called for the interview or else a written test 22nd November 2021. And the online test for the shortlisted candidates 6th December. And the online interviews 7th December to 11th December. So notification to the admitted candidates 15th December and few more dates. Classes are going to start from 7th January 2022. Okay. And the brief description for research domains are also given here. So you may check down guys. Fine. And here the syllabus for the written test is also given here, and the instructions for the written test also given here. Okay. So these are the complete details. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be the wonderful opportunity. And please subscribe the channel to get the more videos or the notifications like this. And after subscribing, tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. To bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGCNET exam cycle. So next cycle means as of right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGCNET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course guys for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the two platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore. What are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper 1. Okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity.